In today's video, I'm working on a small wood heart, and I'm going to use some of my favorite colors and do a dip technique. I have white paint for my base coat and then pink, orange, and yellow mixed up for my dipped colors. I have each of my colors mixed with about 2 parts Sargent Art Gloss Medium and 1 part paint, and then I just slowly incorporate water until it's the consistency that I want for my dip. I tend to leave it just a little bit thicker than I normally do for other techniques so that the dipped shape really stays and doesn't tilt out or distort while it's drying if the paint is too thin. And I just bought this wood heart at Michael's. They had a lot of different wood pieces, and I've used some of these hearts before and really like them, so I just bought a few more. And I'm just starting out by using my white paint for my base and just using a palette knife to smooth that paint out. And then I have my nitrile glove for my dips, and I'm just going to start by adding my yellow for the middle, and then I will put the orange and the pink around the yellow. And so I'm just creating some small puddles of paint on my heart, and then I will start dipping. Once I had my colors down, I just blew up my glove, and then I just gently hold the fingers together and leave the other end closed and just dip straight down into each of my puddles. The nitrile glove creates a really interesting shape compared to a balloon. It looks a lot like a flower, and sometimes it looks a lot like a butterfly, so you can get some really pretty designs with this style of dipping. Once I had my heart done, I wanted to use up some of my leftover paint and do some coasters. So I have some 4-inch wood hexagon coasters, and I'm just going to do the same style. I'm going to use the white for my base coat and then add 1 puddle of each of my colors in the middle, and then dip it to create a flower in each of the coasters. This is one of my favorite ways to do coasters. I think just the 1 flower on each coaster is really pretty. If you don't, or if you have larger coasters, you could always do more, but I just prefer the simple 1 flower dip on each one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you like these dips, let me know what other colors you'd like to see. I'm always open to trying some new colors. These are just some of my favorites, and so when I'm drawing a blank on what else to do, I always really enjoy coming back to these colors and especially this technique. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I do post 2 videos a week. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and I'll see you in the next one.